Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. I want to talk about EV charging, specifically with Electrify America, and more specifically using the premium agreements with Electrify America available to Hyundai, Kia, Mercedes, Polestar, and Volkswagen owners. There is also some help for EV owners who are not fortunate enough to have a premium plan. So I'll start by saying that using the company's chargers has been an adventure. First and foremost, if a charger won't connect to your car, move on to another charger. Electrify America's chargers are not set up alone. There seems to be a pattern where certain units simply stop working, and reconnecting over and over is a waste of time. You're already going to need a good deal of time to charge as it is. Second, there's a spot on a machine that should read your credit card or your phone if you have the Electrify America app and an account. This has never worked for me, but a separate credit card reader always did. If you don't have an EV from one of the manufacturers with a premium plan, just use the card reader or the app directly, as I will discuss soon. The premium service offers free 30-minute charging in most cases for 2 or 3 years, depending on the car company. Hyundai and Kia have a very different kind of arrangement. Regardless, the first thing that's required is to enroll. If you don't have an account with Electrify America, download the app and make one. Enrollment was easy in my case, as Polestar gave solid instructions. Hopefully the others do as well for their plans. Polestar sent an email, most of which is shown here in 3 parts. It included the necessary enrollment code and the vehicle's VIN number that is also required. And no, I'm not showing those. Back to the previous screen, I already had an account, so I logged into the app and went to plans and to browse premium offers, and then I have an enrollment code. The setup took mere minutes. This is where my charging experience should be helpful to anyone. Once the charge cable is connected to the car, which is where you always start, whether it's level 2 or level 3 with Electrify America, talk to a charger directly through the app. Select a location on the app. From there, you can choose the charger you want to work with. They're numbered on the app and on the machine. If you have a plan, be sure your plan is selected. Then swipe to charge. Again, if charging doesn't start, move on to another machine. Also, with or without a premium plan, you can still swipe to charge so long as you have an active account with Electrify America. A couple of notes. The first 30 minutes of charging goes against the plan, but charging will continue until the battery is full or you stop the charge. You will be billed for anything over the 30 minutes. Also, at least in Polestar's case, and likely with others as well, once you hit 80% charge, charging slows down. So you might just as well use the premium plan at a time when you've got very little charge left in your battery. Finally, Electrify America has taken up giving away EV charging on holidays unannounced or nearly so. This is likely to compete with Tesla, who does this as well. So if you see this notice on the charge screen, just plug the car in. Charging will start automatically. I foolishly went through the app and used some of my Polestar minutes. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this will be helpful to at least some of you out there. For other videos, usually covering push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.